Hello and welcome to Tailcrafter English, where your dreams of speaking English fluently are about to come true. Today, we are going to talk about something that has the power to change your life completely. It's not about vocabulary, grammar, or exams. It's about taking control of your life through the power of the English language. Let me ask you, do you want more opportunities? Do you want to have more freedom to explore the world, build your career, and connect with people from different cultures? Do you want to change your life in ways you never thought possible? If you answered yes, then learning English can open doors you never imagined. English isn't just a language, it's your key to success. Today, we're going to talk about how mastering English can give you control over your life in ways you never thought possible. English is more than just a language. It's the global language of opportunity. Whether you want to travel the world, get a better job, start your own business, or make new friends, English is the tool that can help you reach your goals. The ability to speak English will give you the power to connect, create, and conquer. You'll be able to communicate with millions of people worldwide and explore countless opportunities. Did you know that over 2 billion people around the world speak English? That's almost 1/3 of the entire planet. Whether you want to work for an international company, get access to top universities, or even just watch your favorite shows without subtitles, English gives you the ability to access all of this and much more. The world is waiting for you to be a part of it. Imagine waking up tomorrow and knowing that you could apply for any job in the world. Why? Because you have the ability to speak English. Many of the top companies in the world require their employees to speak English. When you master English, you give yourself access to better job opportunities, higher salaries, and career growth. You might be wondering, but I'm not a professional yet. How can English help me? The truth is that English opens doors, even if you're just starting out. From customer service to IT, marketing, and healthcare, English is often a requirement, and even if it's not, being fluent in English makes you stand out. Let me tell you a story about Maria. She worked in a small company, but she dreamed of working for a global brand. One day, she decided to take control of her life by learning English. She dedicated just 30 minutes a day to improving her skills, and within 6 months, her English improved drastically. Maria now works at an international company and has traveled to many countries for business meetings. All thanks to her dedication to learning English. And she didn't start out as a language expert. She was just like you, a beginner who took the first step. Do you dream of traveling to new countries, experiencing different cultures, or meeting people from all over the world? When you speak English, you can connect with people in more than 100 countries. You can travel without the stress of language barriers and truly immerse yourself in new experiences. Imagine you're in Paris, but you need directions to the Eiffel Tower. If you speak English, you can easily ask someone for help, and they will understand you. English helps you experience the world fully. It's not just about getting by, it's about engaging and connecting with others in meaningful ways. Traveling becomes so much easier when you can speak English. You don't have to rely on translators or guesswork. You can confidently navigate airports, hotels, and restaurants, and even make new friends along the way. Let's be real for a second. How do you feel when you try to speak English? Are you confident? Or do you feel nervous and unsure of yourself? The good news is, English can give you confidence. The more you practice speaking, the more confident you'll become. And this confidence will extend beyond just language. It will affect every aspect of your life. You will feel more confident in social situations, in your career, and in your ability to take on challenges. The key is to start small and celebrate every victory. Did you learn a new word today? Celebrate it. Did you hold a conversation for 5 minutes? Celebrate it. These small wins will build your confidence, and soon you'll see that speaking English is no longer a challenge, but a natural part of your life. It's time to take control of your learning journey. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult or overwhelming. The first step is to make a commitment. Start by setting aside 20 to 30 minutes a day to practice. This is your time to learn, grow, and improve. You don't need to study for hours every day. Just be consistent. Here's a simple plan to get you started. Set a goal. Do you want to be able to hold a basic conversation in 3 months? Or are you aiming for fluency in 6 months? Be specific about your goal. Practice daily. Dedicate a set time each day to English practice. It could be 20 minutes in the morning, during lunch, or before bed. Use English in real life. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, or read books in English. The more you expose yourself to English, the faster you will learn. Remember, your motivation is your power. Ask yourself why you want to learn English. Do you want to travel the world? Get a better job? Meet new people? Keep that motivation in your mind every time you practice. Your dream is within reach, but it requires commitment and action. Learning English is not just about language, it's about personal growth. When you master English, you gain the ability to express yourself clearly, understand others better, and connect with the world on a deeper level. English is a tool for growth, empowerment, and transformation. Tom was a shy, introverted person. He didn't speak much in social settings and always felt left out. But one day, Tom decided to take control of his life by learning English. As he improved, he started to feel more confident, more empowered. He was able to join discussions at work, make friends in different countries, and even share his ideas at global conferences. English gave Tom the ability to connect with the world and share his voice. Now that you understand how English can give you control over your life, it's time to take action. You are the one who holds the key to your future. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Take small steps and keep going. You can speak English fluently and unlock a world of opportunities for yourself. The road ahead might seem long, but remember that every journey begins with a single step. And that step starts now. Take control of your life with English, and watch your world expand in ways you never thought possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Let us know in the comments what your goals are for learning English, and how we can help you on your journey to fluency. This script is designed to be motivational, while also giving beginners practical advice for their language journey. It emphasizes how taking control of your life through English can impact various aspects of your personal and professional life. If you'd like to expand specific sections or need more detailed examples or tips, feel free to ask.